So this is the new signal at Atria Mall. So the signal will change color to orange, red and green. So currently it is green, the entire pole is green. So you can see from a very long distance that the pole is green. Let's see how it changes color. See, now it has become yellow or orange and now it has turned red. So people will cross and the pole will entirely turn green. This is really good initiative by Maharashtra government. Really innovative, looks really nice. So it has turned green. Looks really good.